Okay, so today I will not tell anything about theoretically, right? I will try to like understand the AI builder and capabilities of the Power Automate. Okay, so I don't want to waste the time into all the theoretical points because you will get a lot of things from the theoretical point of view on the Google and other places as well, right? So let me share my screen. Okay, so can you see my screen? Can anyone confirm?
Yeah, we can.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we
Okay.
can.
Okay, and request to everyone, like, please feel free to ask any questions, any doubt which have in your mind. Okay, it will help you as well, others, including me. Okay, so let's start, right? So here, today's agenda mostly is for a AI builder, which is one of the component of the Power Automate. But I want to make it very clear, it is not only limited to the AI builder. Apart from that, there are tremendous other capabilities are available into the Power Automate, which by using it we can automate other things as well. It might be web-based or web-based application, desktop automation, API, database, right? We can automate any kind of applications, right? By using the Power Automate. So we are going to talk about the this AI builder today. Okay. So this is the AI builder. So for maybe I will show you the first use case which we are going to learn, right? So what is the first use case that I will explain you? Okay. Suppose I'm having this PDF file, okay, or the invoice file or any kind of document basically. Okay. So here okay, so if you see here, like from these documents, right, I want to capture certain information, right? For example, invoice number, customer ID, date, right? In addition to that, if you go down here, we are having like a table basically, right? From where we how to fetch some data, right? That also we can, right? So now we will see how to do that. So similar way, whatever I'm going to do for this document, right, I can do for any document which is available into my folder, right? So you can see, and this is not limited to the folder. If your document is available on SharePoint, or you are getting document into the email, or if you're having this document on a OneDrive, right? It can pick from anywhere. So it no need to be worried about, right? So now we will go and see how can we do that, right? Similar way, so this is a structured document, you can say. So all the things are structured. We can fetch the data from the unstructured document. We can fetch the data from handwritten document as well, very easily. You never seen, okay, about this in the past, right? That I can guarantee you. So let's start. So hope everyone understood the problem statement. Anyone who didn't understood this problem statement?
I have a question.
Okay.
Like these are native periods, right? So will this be applicable for the scanned documents or the handwritten documents as well?
So it's the same thing I just explained before some time, right? So there is no question about it. Like it's like text PDF, because this is a text PDF, right? It might happen, it can be the scan image, right? At the same time, right, it can be unstructured data, right? Or it might be handwritten data. Anything we can do that. All right.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Okay, let's go and build this. Okay, very easy. So this is your AI builder, right? And within this AI builder, few of the AI models, those are already available, right? So you can see these are the default one available, right? But now here we have to build our AI model based on our requirement, right? So you can see, like if you are the business card, right? If you want to read the data from the business card, this AI model is already there, right? But it might happen based on our requirement, we have to do this AI model, right? So you can see this custom model. So if you go to this custom model, right, we can able to build our template or model with the help of this template. Okay, so we can mention get started. So I just click on the get started. Okay, so as soon as click on the get started, we'll navigate to the screen, and everything is on cloud. Okay, so you can access it from anywhere, from any system. There is no problem at all. So here first we'll go with the structured document, right? Because this is a structured document, right? So they will give this example, like This is the example of structured document, right? But no need to be worried. We have to give our own document. Click on the next. Okay. And here we have to give the field, like which field we have to capture. So I want to capture invoice number, customer ID, and I want to capture this table as well, right? So what I will do, I will click on this ad. So I will click on the field, right? So I want to capture two fields first, like this invoice number, customer ID. So I will just give the name invoice number, for example. Then I will go and add the second field, customer ID. Okay. And next thing, we have to extract the table information. So we'll go here, click on the table, right? So here we can give the table name. So this is a table name, right? So I will just give the product info, for example, right? Product info, product info. Okay. And here we can just give the column name as well. Edit. What is our column name first? We can see description. Okay. So there is not necessary like we can give the same name, right? You can give any name. There is no restriction. So I will give the column name as a description. Plus, what is the next column? So next column is a quantity. Okay. So I will go here. I will give the column name, right? Click add. We'll give the next column name. Next column name is unit price. Okay, plus then we can go to the last column. Okay, amount, right? We can give it add. That's it. We are good. Click on the done. Okay, so first two are fields and third one is the table. Click on the next. After click on the next, what it will do? It will ask provide me collection of the documents so that I can take a judgment accordingly or I can build a model accordingly, right? So click on the new collection. And here you can see what it is mentioned, at least 5 sample documents for each collection. Okay. So it's saying at least provide the 5 documents so I can understand, right? What are the documents is coming to me and what information or how information I want to extract. So click on this ad, right? Here they have mentioned it might be JPG, PNG, PDF, doesn't matter. Okay. Click on the add documents. My device, go to the my device, right? Go to the input data. Where is my okay PDF? Okay, this one, right? So what I will do? I will take this first 5 PDF, for example. Okay, what will happen? Those 5 PDFs will get uploaded on the cloud, right? So you can see here the name, size, and we have to click on the upload 5 documents. As soon as we click on the 5 documents, right, it will upload to the cloud. Now you can see it will give the status uploaded. Click on the done. And here we can give the name. Okay, for example, we can give invoice data extraction. Okay, and I can give my date as well. For example, 9th March. Okay, rename. So it will be the specific name, right? And then click on the next. As soon as you click on the next, you can see all the 5 documents. We can see here, right? Okay. So if you go here, we have to train or we have to tell to the AI builder like which information we have to extract, right? So here we can zoom in, zoom out, right? So I will select this one. And then here we'll get option, right? To which field you want to tag. So this is invoice number. So I will select invoice number. Go to the second one, right? Second one is a customer ID, right? And next one, what we have to do, we have to take this table, right? So what I will do, I will just select the border of the table. Can you see? Okay, these are the border of the tables. Okay, so this is your table, right? So I have selected it. So it will ask table, which table it is. So I will give the product info. I have given the product info, right? So here on the right hand side, you can see define the rows and column to extract. So what information we have to extract, that we have to tell. So you can see like here, there is no bifurcation, there is no row, right? So what we can do after description, just click here. So it will say row number 1. After service fee, just click here. It will consider row number 2, right? After additional services, click here. It will consider row number 3, right? And here 4 and 5, correct? Now we have to define this column as well, right? Which column? So we can go here, right, on this column, control click. So it has set the column A. Similar way, we can go here, control click, right? Here also we can go control click. Now the column is ABCD, but we have to give the column name, right? So just click on this A, right? It will ask which column this is. So I will give description. Okay. Click on the B, right? It will ask like quantity per hour. Third one is unit price. So click here, see. It's a unit price. Okay. And fourth one is just amount. Now you can see on the right hand side, whatever the information we have taken from here, you can see this table, right? But now you can see these headers, right? These headers are coming twice. At the same time, these are the dotted lines, right? Which is not required for us, right? Which is none of our business basically. So what we can do in that case, ignore first row, just tick this on. So you can see it will remove that unnecessary header. And now we have to remove this third row as well, because where we don't have any proper data or we don't require it. So make it on. As soon as you make it on, right, advanced tagging mode, click on the row number 3. And after that, click on delete row. So you can see that row will get deleted and you will get a crystal and clear output, right? Now we are done for one document. Click on the done. I clicked on the done, right? Go for the next document. I just click on the next button. Now we got this document, right? So again, we have to show the same information here. Invoice number. Then we have to show customer ID. Okay, right? And then we have to go for this table, right? So go here, select the table. Okay, product info. Right now you can see for the next document, right? It will take the headers by default. Now we have to go for only rows. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's it. And the same thing we have to follow here as well. We have to remove this header. So make it on. It will remove on the advanced stacking mode, and then remove this row number 3 because we don't require. So click and delete row. That's it. So you can see it is fetching all the data properly, and the same data you can verify here as well. Click on the done. Go for the next document. Okay, now we are to the next document. So again, go here, select it. Okay, invoice number, go for the customer ID, right? And then go for the table, right? So we'll go here, we'll select this table. Okay, product info, it has picked up columns, just row we have to indicate. That's it. Ignore first row, switch on the advanced stacking mode, go to the row number 3, click on the delete. That's it. Done. So we are done with the 3 documents. Similar way we have to do for 4th and 5th. That is mandatory. Okay. Without that, the model will not get trained. So go here, capture invoice number, go to the customer ID. Sorry. Okay. And then go for this table. Product info, then select the rows. Okay, perfect. Ignore first row, advanced tagging option, remove row number 3, done. Okay, click on the next document. Last, this is our last document. Okay, so please have a patience. So invoice number, I will select this invoice number, and customer ID, I will select this customer ID. Okay, and then table. Okay, select this table, product info, right? Select the rows. Then do these options as usual. Remove the last third row, click on the done. Now we are done. And now you can see this next button is enabled. Okay, click on the next. Okay, now you can see it says like we are good to train the model. So click on the train, right? So you will get a message here. Your model is training. It may take a few minutes depending on the size of the training data. Okay, and it is showing like close this and go to the models. So it will be available there. So just click on go to the models, right? And now if you see the model status is training, okay? So it will take some time based on your size, based on your data, okay? So it will take some time to build the model, right? Now means it will not take more time, okay? It will take few minutes or maybe within that also it will be done, okay? So let me go to the models back. Okay, so you can see status is a train, right? So go to the model. I just click on the model, right? And now what it will do, it will show you, right? The model correctly predicted 93% of data. Means this model is 93% confident. Okay. And here the confidence level, it will show you based on the field as well, right? So for invoice number, it's 99% confident. Customer ID is 99% confident, and product info is 91 confident, right? But don't go with the confidence score. Okay. Don't go with the confidence score. Test it and see you are getting the proper result or not. So here we have the option quick test. Just click on quick test. Upload the document, right? So I have just selected first 5 PDF. I will select the last video. Okay. Now what it will do, it is uploading and analyzing. See, it is uploading and analyzing, right? And what it will do after analyzing, it will extract the data and it will show you. So can you see? Maybe I will maximize this. See, it is giving this invoice number. Okay, it is giving the customer ID, and it is giving the table information. Okay, right? The click to see the, okay, so this data. See, description, quantity, unit price, and amount, right? So it means our model is giving 101% accurate. Okay, and this model we have built, right? So what we can do, we can use this model during our automation. Okay, so if you want to extract the data from the incoming PDF file, it might be from drive, it might be from your system folder, it might be from your email, right? It might be from anywhere. We'll be able to extract this data from this model, and we can write this data into the Excel file. We can write this data into the data table or database. Okay, so this is about the this invoice. Okay, with the structure invoice, I can say. So any question on this from anyone? No question? All good? Okay, perfect. So I will consider, yes, you people got it, right? Now I will show the next thing. Okay. So for example, we are having like a OCR PDF, right? So how to take the data from the OCR PDF. And now you can see the difference, right? The document understanding or maybe any other tool, right? There we have to do the lot of steps, but here it is very easy. Okay, so so you can see, for example, this is our scan PDF, right? This is my scan PDF, and I want to extract the data from here, right? How to identify the scan PDF or OCR PDF? Right click, okay, right? You can see this copy image. It means it's a image, okay? So for example, if you want to extract the information from the image, very well we can extract from the image files also, right? So now we'll go and see how to do it, right? So again, go to the explore within the AI builder, right? We can choose the custom model because now we have to build this model based on our requirement, right? So we'll go here, right? And we'll select this extract custom information from the document. And the good part here is we no need to be worry about any OCR or something, right? We no need to go for ABI, to extract anything. Everything is already pre-built. So go to the structure document, for example, click on the next, right? Add field. So what are the information we have to extract? For example, I want to extract this FCC ID. Okay. So I will mention the field name as a FCC ID. Okay. And after that, I want to extract this table. Okay. This tabular information. This tabular information, right? So here we have to define it. So add fields, table, right? Product details. I can mention column 1, right? Column 1 and column 2. But if you see here, we don't have such thing, right? So we can just mention column 1 and column 2. Okay. If you want to give any particular name, we can give that. Click on that. Okay. Click on the done. Now we'll click on the next, right? And now again it will ask, provide me the collection of documents, at least 5 documents. So click on the new collection, add, right? Click on that documents. We can add from, if you see here, right, while clicking on that document, and when I click on that document, we can take the document from anywhere. Okay. We can do from Azure Blob, SharePoint, from your system, or maybe from any other place as well. So click on the my device, right? And I will go to the particular PDF, for example, this one. Okay. So maybe select all, open. Now again, it will upload all the documents. Okay. It is done. I think it will take 2 seconds. Okay. Done. Now click on the next. Right. Now we have to extract the information, right? So here we can rename it extract OCR PDF data. Okay, and I can give the 9 March, for example. Okay, then I will just highlight this FCC ID. Okay, I have highlighted this FCC ID. I got this FCC ID. See, selected FCC ID. Now I want to take this table, right? So just select the table. Okay, I have selected this table, right? It's the product details, correct? Similar way, we can add the rows here. 1, 2, 3. In between also we can add, not a problem. Done. Now we have to go for the this column, right? Click on A, it's a column 1. Click on the B, it's a column 2. That's it, right? So if you want to ignore first row, maybe I can mention, but now you can see it will ignore the product name, right? So we have to make it on. And now here, if you see, we are getting a proper data. So no need to be worried about it, right? We no need to go for the advanced stacking mode. Click on the done. Once it is done for one record, we can go ahead. Okay. We can do it for the second video. So go here, right? This is our FCC ID. And after that, select the table, right? So I can go here. I can select my table. I have selected the table, product details, right? We can select this information. Okay. We can add the rows and then column 1, column 2. We can see we are getting all the data proper, right? Click on done. So we are done for 2 documents. Similar way, we can go for another document. Okay. This is FCC ID. Then we have to go for this table, right? I selected table, product, right? And then again add the rows. That's it. Okay. So this is our, I think, third or fourth document. Okay, done. This is third document. So we have 2 more documents. Okay, go there, select this. See, this is not capturing properly, right? So press the escape button and do it again. So why it is doing? Okay, so you can see this is not recognizing properly because what I did, I have converted it. Okay, so that is the reason. Otherwise, it should work properly. I have converted this like a document to the scan PDF. That is the reason. Otherwise, it should work perfectly fine. So this is my FCC ID, right? And then we can go for this thing. Okay, so you can go to the product details. Again, select all the information. Okay, done. Then last document we have left. This is FCC ID, and then we can go for the table. Okay, product table, then select the rows. Done. So now we are done with this, right? We got this next button, click on the next, right? And click on the train. Now again, what it will do, it will train the model, right? Based on the AI capabilities within the AI builder. And within a few minutes, or I can say within a few seconds, right? Your train model will be available to use. So we have built the model and we can use this model in n number of processes. There is no limitation or there is no issue with that. Okay. So whenever is required, we can just call this AI model into our respective automation, and we can use that, right? So now we can go to the models. I think it should be trained, or maybe this is OCR, so it will take few more seconds to be trained. Okay, so let it load. Okay, it's still training. Okay, so maybe I can refresh once. So it will give the latest updated status. Okay, so let's go to the models once again. Yeah, we are in the models. So you can see the model is trained. Click here, right? As soon as click here, we will get option to quick test, and again it will give the confidence score. So this is a 92% confidence, right? 96% for product details and 80% for FCCI. Quick test. We can go here, right? And we can select the document. For example, this one, open, right? So before using it, if you want to test it, that is this functionality is available. So we can test it. And if you want, like something is not popping up correctly, then we can correct from there as well. So you can see this is FCC ID, and you can see this table. Good. Any question on this from anyone? No? Okay. But
I have one question.
yes, Nagesh, please.
In both the cases, if number of rows are not common, means say in the first case in the PDF file, if there are 5 columns and uh, some other document may have 4 columns.
That also we can do.
Okay, so in that case, we don't have to delete the row, right? Column.
No. Okay, so that is the reason we are giving the collection of the documents, right? So if your like one PDF or maybe one invoice having 4 records, right? Other invoice can have the 10 records, or the next to next invoice have 15 records. It doesn't matter.
Okay, thank you. Thanks.
Okay, fine.
So number of columns also won't matter, or that should be taken care?
No, column should matters. Okay, column should matter.
Okay.
Okay, because we have to give the column name before, right? Like the table name plus columns. What are the columns will be there?
And if, for example, if sometimes it happens that the documents are coming from different places, right? So in that case, they have to be trained differently, right?
Different places means, Sandhya, you mean to say from the different vendors, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Correct. So we have to do that.
Okay.
But for example, I want to tell you, Sandhya, one example, right? So this is invoice, right? So irrespective of any format, okay? Irrespective of any format, right? Whatever invoice, for example, your organization have 10 vendors, right? So 10 vendors, they're having invoice, right? The structure might be different, but invoice, there will be the field are common, like invoice number, customer ID, and date, right? So if you want to extract such information, we can do within a one go.
Got it.
Okay, so and it's not even necessary like the place should be here, right? It might be anywhere, like bottom, left, right, center, anywhere, doesn't matter.
And like that, such 5 or 6 documents we can upload as samples, different kind.
Correct. So what is the reason behind it? So that at least AI model needs some inputs, right? On the basis of that, it will be get trained.
Correct.
Okay, so that is the necessity.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Any question from anyone? All good? Okay. Now,
So this power, this AI builder, it comes with the Power Automate, or we have to separately? How does the licensing work for this?
okay, so licensing, what happens, Sandhya and everyone, right? The major advantage of this Power Automate is like that. It will come, okay? It will come with your Microsoft 365 license. Okay, so here for this like Power Automate, we no need to pay anything for the cloud, right? But for the desktop version, so you can see this is a desktop version, right? From by using it, we can automate the desktop application, web-based automation, any like a database APIs, right? So this we have to pay, and for here, whatever the services are available that are like SaaS as a service. So if you want something, right, we can pay for that, and then we can use it. right? But it is not the case with the other tools. Other tools we have to go for a yearly subscription,
Correct.
right?
This
So
is, this
that
is
is the
one time. This is one time you buy, you automate, and your bot is ready. Is it?
correct.
You don't need a subscription after that.
After see, as I said, right, this Power Automate subscription will be there, okay, with the
Okay.
Microsoft 365 license.
Okay. So to build a bot, you don't need to.
Right.
Uh,
Right. Right.
and to run a bot, you don't need the license as such.
See, like if you going to run from the cloud, we don't require anything.
Got it.
Okay. But if you go for a desktop thing, we have to. But
Got
again,
it.
as I said, right, the cost of this is very less as compared to other tools. And here they have provided like SaaS as a model, like whatever you are going to use, pay for that only.
Got it.
Okay, that is the reason if you see every industry now they are started moving from Blue Prism to Power Automate, UiPath to Power Automate, and Automation Anywhere to Power Automate. Any other question from anyone?
I have a question here.
Yes.
While we are training, where does this data get stored? The trained data.
Okay, so it gets stored into your platform, Power Platform.
I mean, would there be any info security related issues because the trained data would be stored somewhere?
No, Mahi. Okay, it's not the case. So tell me, right? This product is from Microsoft, right? So you are using the Microsoft OS and you are storing all the data there, right? So that kind of security they have built. So there is a no question about it. It is already having all the SOC certification, right? HIPAA compliances, GDPR compliances, all the certifications are already in place. So there is no question about it.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Yeah.
I have one question.
Yes, Mahesh.
Can
Sorry?
can we use this AI builder for training purpose?
So Mahesh, your voice is breaking.
Can they have community training?
Sorry, Mahesh. Actually, your voice is breaking. So what I can do, like I can put my contact number here. Okay. So in case if you have any doubt and you don't want to speak it here, or is there any problem, right? You can call me personally. So I'm giving my contact number into the group chat. Okay. So you can take it from there. All right, and this is our like website. If you want to know more about our trainings, courses, details, right? Everything is there. If you want to register, we can go and we can register, right? Our representative will be come back with you. Any other question from anyone? No. Okay, so this is our website for the EmergenTeck. You can go there. In addition to that, we have having the EmergenTeck YouTube channel, right? So you can see the reviews from the people, right? Or also you can see like whatever the videos we are uploading, right? So you will get all the information from like our website as well as from the YouTube channel as well. And soon we are going to start our new batch. Okay, so if anyone is interested, please do contact us, and if you need more information, I have already given my contact number into the group. All right, Namita, you want to say something?
So I just want to say thank you for this wonderful information.
Okay, thank you, Namita. Right, so if you have any questions, please feel free to speak.
No, right now I don't have
Oh,
any.
no worries, Namita. Thank you. So it means I have explained each and everything correctly.
Yes, yes,
But anyways, right? Anyways, and again, I want to emphasize on this. This is not the only one way, right? We can automate. Here we can automate any kind of application. It might be the web-based automation, desktop automation, PDF automation, APIs, database, right? Excel, we can automate any.
All right.
Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Yes.
Okay, then. So thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much for joining on time and like asking the questions, right? I have already given all the details to you people, right? If you need any information or any other more details, please reach out to us. Thank you and have a good night. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you. Good night.
Yes, Kavya, it will extract the information from picture as yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.